Today we're going to remove this radio, the old factory head unit, and we're going to make a nice little cubby that's going to replace that, because the factory head unit doesn't work. We already have a replacement that's already wired in that works great, and we're really low on like storage place for like a phone. Normally I'll stick my phone in here. You can't see that at all. In the ashtray, which works. It's just not great. So what we're gonna do instead is make a nice cubby right here instead. That'll be nice and big and deep, perfect for putting a phone or wallet or whatever. I can't tell. So all the mounting holes that we need are just 3 of them. We've got one at the top here, one at the very bottom down here, and then 2 at the side. So it's actually 4. And it looks like we can actually try to keep these wires here, I guess. Do some testing later and see if any of those are hot. If one of those has switched ignition, that's cool. That means we could wire in a working 12-volt outlet, so we can have like a radio, not a radio, like a charger for a phone or something like that. Anyway, it looks like we have a bunch of space straight back from this thing. We're gonna go measure these dimensions and make up a nice box that fits. We can make it go back another maybe inch or 2 from this, so that it'll be roomy. yeah, there's our update for the day. Once it's done printing, we'll install it tomorrow so you can see what it looks like, assuming nothing goes wrong with the print. So, see you tomorrow.